Hi, ready to explore a new tool together? Introducing the MAKITA Miter Saw Stand. This incredible stand is designed for all slide compound saws, miter saws, and tabletop miter saws, making it the ultimate companion for your cutting tasks. With two adjustable working heights of 55 centimeters and 80 centimeters, you can customize your setup for maximum comfort. Need to support larger workpieces? The side adjustable extensions accommodate up to 104 inches. And when you are done, the MAKITA DEAWST05 folds flat for effortless storage and transport. No disassembly required. With a robust construction that supports up to 500 pounds, you can tackle any project with confidence.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.